Hi, my name is Dennis Schiraldi, and I am the founder of DOYO Live, the digital marketing and interactive design conference in Youngstown, Ohio. I was sitting in the basement of a hotel in Rochester, Minnesota at a 2-day marketing conference, and I was just mad at the world. This is crazy. Like, you gotta be kidding me. We can't have something like this in our own backyard. Then I started to recognize that we have like some tremendous facilities, resources in an underserved area with no regional day-long marketing conference. So that's when I started to get the idea of really putting the traction and idea into execution, is saying, I think this is a real thing, that something we could do. That process was at least a 24-month, day in, day out of just having to have pure guts and passion about the fact that I wanted to do something that was going to help to bring up the competency level of and be a resource for professional development for marketing, sales, design, and business professionals. I want this to be a legacy business that is something that my kids ultimately could be proud of, the fact that, we created this, back in 2016, and one day when I'm an old crazy man walking around a stage with red tennis shoes on, that we can kind of look back and say, this is what we grew and we gave to the city of Youngstown. An amazing marketing conference that expanded into different interactive genres of music and of film. And it's really something that becomes not just a one-day event, but an entire weekend of